in today's video I'm going to show you guys one of my favorite planner and why I love it so much. Here is this beautiful planner, guys. I love the whole pink and golden aesthetics. On the left side, there is a pocket to fit in your letters, receipt and maybe bills. It comes with a bookmark too, very neat and very simple bookmark, Simba Lifestyle written over it. And on the right side, they have mentioned the name of the planner. I can't function without a planner, guys. I have to manage 100 things in a day, and if I don't write them down, I'll forget it. This year, birth flower is the theme of every month, so they have assigned flower to every month depending on the characteristic of the flower and how they feel and what it means. Here comes the vision board. This place is to hold the vision and trust the process. Create a collage of images and words that represents your goal and dreams. Next page is all about 2022 goals. What do you plan for your health goals, relationship goals, career goals, personal goals, finance goals, and spiritual goals? How do you want your body to feel this year? What kind of people you want to surround yourself with? All such thoughts you can put down in this page. Here, the next section is about goal setting, guys. Someday goal. What is that one goal you want to achieve someday? 5-year goal, 1-year goal, monthly goals. On the right, they have not to do list section. Stuff that distracts you and wastes your time. Stuff that stresses you out. Stuff that you feel obligated to. Stuff that drains your energy. All this you can put down here and you will feel so relaxed and so peaceful. It will give you time to, understand what you want for your next year. Here comes one of my favorite section, current me and future me. Here you have to fill what is the current version of you and how you want your future version to be. Here is the section, this year I will. A little reminder to keep yourself focused on your path all year round. What you want to start, what you want to quit, what you want to learn, try, visit, avoid, improve, everything you can put down here. Here is my wish list, guys. This will give you a clear picture of your needs and wants. What you want, what you need. Here comes the period tracker, guys, which was missing last year. It's not very useful to me, but if you're someone who gets your period on time, then obviously you can use this tracker. It comes with flags also, spotting, medium flow, light flow, heavy flow. So a good way to track your periods too, and a fun way too. You can use colors also to fill this. Here comes the early spread. This is one common feature of every planner, and I can see my birthdays on Wednesday. It's weekday. I have to take leave from office. I love to have birthdays on weekends. It's just so much fun and relaxing. So here comes the birth flower for January, which is carnation, which means you always gain by giving love. This is not exactly what it means, but it's just the vibe of the flower. And look at the picture, guys. It is hand drawn and hand painted. And also this picture is actually a letter, guys. You can write it to someone. Carnation symbolizes love and fascination. Thank you for bringing immense love into my life. You can write your name and you can give it to anyone you want. On the right side, there are monthly goals, how you want this month to be, mini goals for this month, main goal for this month, affirmation for this month. Now here comes the monthly spread and a little notes area on the right. I know it gets a little overwhelming once in a while to know everything and to plan everything. But yeah, I mean, if you don't want to, then don't do it. But once in a while, it's good to do it. And yeah, here is the place where you have to write your everyday to-do list. Here comes the expense tracker, guys. It's a good way to track where you are spending all of your money. Is it shopping? Is it food? Is it partying? And the next section is for monthly budget. How much money you are earning? What are your savings? What is your total budget? You can plan everything on this page. Here comes the habit tracker, guys. I really like this whole concept of tracking habit, but it's just that I forget to fill it every night. Next page is monthly check-in. What you did, how you did. Describe the month in a word. And what was the thing you were most grateful for? This page honestly gets a little overwhelming, so I usually avoid filling it once in a while. Here comes to buy list, guys. Here I'm gonna write down all my ration stuff, the soap, the toothpaste, the food item, all these spices, because I'm not someone who shops so much every month. So yeah, it's perfect to note down what I'm not having in my kitchen. Next page is to brain dump, and honestly I don't really brain dump my anxiety and my thoughts because I guess I don't have any. But this page I guess I'm gonna use for my YouTube ideas. It'll be perfect. Now I'll show you every birth flower of every month. At the end, after December comes the photo dump and 2022 throwback page. Here you can put Polaroid pictures. Even if you don't have that, you can write down what all you achieved, how your year was. You can have a, like a mini throwback of 2022. Next comes 2022 favorites and 2022 review. In favorites, you can write your favorite movie, favorite book, favorite restaurant, dish, place you visit, your favorite song. In the review page, basically you have to rate 2022. Basically, it's the moral of the story of 2022. like how it all went and what could have been better. Next comes the travel planner and packing list. Here you can fill everything, your flight or train, the transportation, hotel, food, shopping, everything you can fill in here, and also the packing list. And the best thing is they have 6 pages for this, which means you can travel once in every 2 months, I guess, which is nice. Overestimated, but nice. Okay, next comes the worry jar. Honestly, I'm not sure. I don't really have any worries. I don't really sit down and think about my worries. I'm not that kind of a person. But if it helps, you can use this page as a brain dump. It has 4 sheets, which means you can fill it in every 3 months, which will be nice. And at the end, you have simply notes pages, few blank ones, few ruled ones. Yeah, you can simply note down things if you want. And again, at the end, we have a small pocket for our chits and receipts and maybe love letters. This is not it, guys. Now I'll show you what else you'll get with this planner and why I love it so much. So with planner, you will receive a lot of stickers. One of them would be text sticker, which will have to-do sticker, important sticker, notes, gratitude, to buy, big day, goals, remember. It will definitely make your planner look fun and interesting. Next, you'll get 5 sheets of funky sticker. You can stick them on your notebook, in your planner, maybe on your mobile phone, on your laptop, like I have done. So these are the stickers I got from last year's planner. I stuck them all over my MacBook. My friends hate it, but I love it. It looks so cute. Next thing is this mini pocket notebook. It's actually small, guys. Plant your notes here apparently, and it fits perfectly in planner's front and back pocket. Another thing you get with the planner are these pink sticky notes. So you get the planner, obviously, you get 6 sheets of sticker, really funky, really cool. You get a notebook, mini pocket notebook, which is cool, obviously. Then you get sticky notes, 2 pair of sticky notes. Again, I find it very cute. And you find a thank you note too in the planner and a bookmark. And all of this you get in 999 rupees, guys. I have used very expensive planner earlier before Simba Lifestyle. They were very expensive. If you are going for a nicer one, they'll be 1300, 1400, 2000 rupees. And since the time I got my hands into this one, I never looked back. All the products link would be down below in the description box. Make sure to go and check it out. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Cheers.